hayi ukholi kanjani ngihalela maboyoyo man.
Ubambe bile shethi.
Le shethi kholi ngigqabule komnye line weslifless that human shopping la wena
Yesa man zapha. Bamba apha kothi ngiyathuma man.
Ngicela phaka
Hayi mangaphaka waniphana nje na usithatha kanjani? Emshana mjonga uze netopa nethwiza. Buye lamathe ngekomi baleka kwethi. Sekubaleka. Ebaleka man wena utheni?
Qonqo my friend ngithenga itwiza nethopa. Du ichange engaka for sure lamaphara wayazi imali manti qapqaphu kancane ke ndisithengele ezimnandi. Qonqo my friend ngithenga nyitwiza nethopa ufake izifo iyogetha namhlanje ngathi ngizobheja ufake nedanon eCalvary ngifuna usurprise umayidali ndimbonise uthando lamanyani imnandi imali yabaphaki.
Excel boy company yazi namhlanje unelakho uzobona imagic samanyane no hlala phansi lena igame elula kakhulu kwedina nokuhlulwa ntamkhulu uzokhomba ikhaphe nebhola you bawinile uzohamba nenyuku imali yeninzi ama-222 kwedina nokuhlulwa ntamkhulu uba uluzile you'll give me food eCalvary netopaz 2 sub nalotwiza already through
Ya nakuhlula ngitamkhulu
Tani Juice the magician.
Juice the magician.
Voila boy ukhalubhungane but ungakhali boys zoba sharp maybe next time zoba right.
I no faka enye igame ngo ngiyayifuna le mali nokutya kwami mhlawumbe ndizothenga ne-rose.
Okay my boy, you are the chosen one uzoyiwina le game wena nje landela me. Itani Juice the magician.
Juice the magician.
Itani Juice the magician.
Juice the magician.
Voila boy ukhalubhungane but ungakhali boys zoba sharp maybe next time zoba right.
I no dlala nazezinye ngo ngiyayifuna le mali netwiza ngo.
Okay my boy,
ngifuna lo Juice the magician.
voila boy ukhalubhungane but ungakhali boys zoba sharp maybe next time zoba right.
Nye surprise ikadala.
Excel wall light in don was dal classic 2 muhamba udlala baphola nifuna ufatal wash wena zwakala
Closer man, closer. Kwedin hamba udlala udunyiwe matabele deep where's my tweez jongo yankumshisa
Ngithathwe nguJuice the magician. Yes ulibethe ngescam but ke if you want it back follow me. Juice the magician.
wash Juice the magician.
Ukuye kanye buda awulahlekanga buda Juice the magician ndenza izinto siyaphehla la phansi relax mna ndicacise. Ucacisa ntona? Nizokhomba ikhaphe nebhola you baniwinile nihamba nenyuku imali yeninzi ama-222 Khotmana nokohlulwa ntamkhulu.
Colleague asinohlulwa nguntamkhulu colleague.
Itani Juice the magician.
Juice the magician.
Itani Juice the magician.
Juice the magician.
Voila kukhalubhungane.
Koni ngiyathakatha nolwatha koni.